Cut the key is to measure and cut precisely so the vinyl plank slides cleanly under or around the bathroom door frame for a snug, professional fit. Start by measuring from the wall to the inside edge of the door frame and mark the plank on its back with a pencil, allowing the manufacturer recommended expansion gap, which is typically 1/4 inch unless the product specifies otherwise. For cuts under the door trim, remove the doorstop where possible or score the caulk line, then carefully pry the trim out a bit so the plank can slide under. If you cannot remove the trim, mark and cut the plank to fit around the exposed jamb. Use a fine-toothed jigsaw blade running at moderate speed to cut detailed notches or curves and clamp a straight edge to guide long straight cuts. Always cut from the back of the plank to avoid tearing the wear layer. For outside corners or when you need to scribe the profile of the frame, transfer the shape using a cardboard template and trim the plank incrementally, testing the fit frequently rather than making one large cut. After fitting, use a tapping block and a soft mallet to tap seams closed without damaging the plank edges, and check that the cut piece sits snugly without being forced so the floating floor can still expand and contract. Finally, reseal or reinstall any removed trim or doorstop and apply a bead of silicone in bathroom installations where water exposure is expected to protect the edge. Common mistakes are cutting without accounting for the expansion gap, which causes buckling as the floor expands. Always measure and add the specified gap and use spacers while fitting. Another error is forcing a tight piece under the jamb, which can damage the plank or the locking profile. Instead, create a small relief notch or remove the doorstop so the plank can slide horizontally into place. A third frequent problem is tearing the decorative wear layer by cutting from the face side or using an incorrect blade. Flip the plank and cut from the back and use a fine-tooth blade on a jigsaw or a sharp utility knife for straight cuts, scoring several times if needed. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects and homeowner needs. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and post real project photos and experiences.